Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Uber Schoolhouse. Before I read my poem to you and give you some ideas for your own poetry writing, I just want to start out by honoring all the teachers out there for your hard work, for your creativity, for your ingenuity, for your constant learning. I know we're all trying new things and getting our feet wet and getting out of our comfort zone when it comes to finding new ways to teach, new ways to connect, new ways to educate and inspire. I just need to say that the majority of these videos, when they're done inside, are done from my grandpa's old desk, which I'm sitting at right now. And it's really special to me because my grandpa was a teacher himself for 40 years. It was his life, and he gave so much for his students, and I just can't help but think what life would have been like if this sort of thing happened when he was a teacher. I know there was other things that went on that we couldn't imagine, but it's just so different education right now, and we all feel that way. Life is different, and as a result we are learning and doing and trying new things. So I just want to honor all teachers out there who are going above and beyond, and you're all doing amazing things for your students. And students, give a thank you to your teacher. Like, this isn't easy. It's not easy. Right now my girls are downstairs watching cartoons so I can take this video. Like, we're doing what we have to do to get through, and we do it because we love you and we want you to be the best that you can be. So without further ado, I want to share a poem with you because April is National Poetry Month, and it's kind of my motto right now. It has been in my life for a long time, but right now more than ever, when we are at home and we have more time to sit and reflect, I wrote a poem called Let Nature Be Your Teacher. Okay, I just heard some little footsteps. I'm in here. You come in? You can get a snack. Can Emma help you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ask Emma. She'll get you one.
Hallie, hey.
Or Hallie too. Okay. This is real life. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Let nature be your teacher.
What, Mom? What, Mommy?
I'm just reading.
Bye.
Bye. Be patient. Trust that everything has a season, from full moon to full moon. She simply enjoys the journey. Be calm. Take time to just be. Nature does not rush, yet she accomplishes everything. She provides space and time for a reason. Be still. Look for peace within. Like a great oak weathering a long drought, she digs her roots deep to find nourishment. She remains calm and steady and strong. Be humble. Remember where you came from. Like a swaying willow, she bows down to the earth. She is gentle and unassuming. Be noble. Mind what you're made of. Nature shines bright, knowing she's made of stars. She spreads her light and elevates all. Be tough. Keep moving forward. Nature knows that living things die and disasters destroy. She does not label these as bad, for she knows they're a part of life. Be adaptable. Allow yourself to change. Nature survives because she evolves with her circumstances. She always comes out stronger and more resilient than before. Be generous. Give more than is necessary. Nature gives air to breathe, water to drink, nourishing foods to eat, and plants to heal. She gives and gives and gives and asks nothing in return. Be beautiful just the way you are. Like the spring green aspen leaves or a meadow filled with wildflowers, she doesn't try to be anything but herself. Be persistent, never give up. Like a cheetah stalking its prey, nature keeps trying and always finds another way. She is driven by her instincts. Be respectful. Honor all living things. Nature knows that everything has a place in the web of life. She understands that we are all intricately connected. Come here. Here's Kate. We were busy coloring this morning, weren't we, Kate?
Yeah.
Can you take a break? Yeah. You want to go back? That's life. Be strong. Use what you've been given. Like the ant that carries food for miles or the elephant that creates paths for others, she can handle anything. Be happy. Let yourself smile. Nature continues to sing through sorrow and storm. She knows what's good for her. Be patient. Be calm. Be still. Be humble. Be noble. Be tough. Be adaptable. Be generous. Be beautiful. Be persistent. Be respectful. Be strong. Be happy. Let nature be your teacher. So now I ask of you, how can you let nature be your teacher during this time? Perhaps your poem can be simply just that. Be this, be that, be this, be that. Or if you're in upper grades or middle or high school, maybe you can dig a little bit deeper. Or perhaps you're watching as an adult and you want to spend some more time reflecting on that. Because time is what we have. And we need to choose the best way to use it. Don't we, Kate?
No, buddy.
Open. Okay. And a snack. So with that, I will let you go. I would love to read some of the poetry that you're writing. You can share it in the comments, or my students can email me, and we'll stay in touch. All right, we're going to go spend some time outside. We'll see you later. You say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye.